Hello, quý vị có trẻ đây. My name is Trần Tiến Đạt. My name is Nguyễn Học Xuân Triều.
My name is Mai Thị Khư.
We are come from Võ Văn Kiệt High School in Vietnam.
We are happy to take part in this project.
This is our project for fully project manager. Multi-function chemical detector. Currently, the educational programs is really innovative. It is so good to change the teaching content to be more immersive. Not stopping there, a Detector is necessary to change the methods of teacher communication with students, as well as students to communicate together, so that the quality of education is really improved and achieve maturity. For chemistry, we have learned through lots of lessons from secondary school to high school. Guided by teachers through many hours of experience and practice, but aren't it just a matter of preparing and pouring the substance ourselves? Self-observations of reasons, self-remembering the name of reasons, the formation or the way of identifying the substance.
Everything is done by the students on hand, including practice and knowledge. So the product of a device that integrates artificial intelligence, observes the reaction process and produce results, recognize substance, then draws conclusion and gives it to students, helping students to understand clearly more about the substance as well as profound knowledge that sometimes students can't remember. It's a very necessary thing. Having such a product can partly help students reduce their hardships more in the process of experiencing interesting chemistry lessons.
Project introduction plays sculpture the machine in a particular force with three compartments. The first compartment is for the substance, the second compartment is for a class dress used to place a chemical reasons environment, and the third compartment is for the catalyst or condition. A Crowhouse plan client then install the program to connect this micro. It's so skill to be able to control.
The camera will be installed in the second compartment to observe the chemical reaction, notify the results after the reaction and the name of the substance obtained. For example, put copper oxide and acid sulfuric into cavity 1. Then compartment 1 will bring the substance to cavity 2. The reaction process is complete with the equation. After identifying the blue substance in compartment 2, all the chemicals in blue color will be listed: copper sulfide, copper hydroxide, etc. for students to remember and find easily. If you don't know how to recognize the substance, the machine has a guide to identify the substance. For example, if you want to know calcium carbonate, the machine will suggest using carbon dioxide.
In the process of implementation, difficulties have been encountered. Difficulty in data collection. However, implementation is still difficult. Limited time, software programming have many errors, as well as the artificial intelligence feature still facing many difficulties.
If you have more time, would you like to change anything in the project? Increase the accuracy and honesty of the project, helping the fusions of identify more chemical contributing to the diversity of the project, develop some more advanced experiment, such as using catalyst, temperature glass, more sensor, and tools for liquid solid identification.
Expanding the scale features and advanced application of the products, such as being able to identify the substance that make it up from the product, as well as the type of reaction, substitution, reduction to create the product.
Our camera for identification here, but for convenience, we want to turn this off. We have a main character in which I have built in AI program. For example, when you see something with color like orange, like yellow, like those, it will notify. Let me make an example.
The obtained product is no color, can be sodium chloride, zinc sulfate, aluminum chloride.
You see that? So, this is the last type of our video.
Thank you for your listening.
With the college project Malaysia 2022 will succeed, and goodbye!